just like this. Okay, so we have made a little bit of room like this on the top, and lastly we're just gonna cover it up with lime carpet, just like this. This is how it looks. It looks like our mirror. We're just gonna cover all this up and fill this area to the top with black concrete. So here I have done exactly that. So basically here our washroom is also complete. We're just gonna move on to the next section. Coming to this area, what we're just gonna do is we're just gonna go 4 blocks from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, on this side, we're just gonna break this. We're gonna add a black concrete over here, add a campfire on top of it. We're gonna get some smooth quartz stairs. To put that, let's do it just like this. Just like this, okay? We're gonna grab our black stained glass and increase it in length up to about 3 blocks. So it should go just like this a bit. Like this. We're gonna add a iron trapdoor. Just like this, okay? And lastly, we're just gonna use smooth quartz and cover all of this up like this. So this is also complete. Lastly, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get the outer wall all the way to this side. Similarly from here to this point, and we're just gonna fill all of this area with our smooth quartz block, okay? To make up the roof. Touches for our house. We're just gonna come here to the bathroom side and just break all of these. We're just gonna grab our black concrete and fill all of this space like this. We're gonna get our black stained glass panel, add it right here, and next we're just gonna move to the outer side. Here what we're gonna do is we're gonna basically come right around here, go to the top, and see where the smoke is hitting. We're just gonna break it like this. We're gonna grab our iron trapdoors and put them right there. On this side, what we can do is add a bit of texture. We're just gonna break 2 blocks around here, add them like this. Similarly, we're gonna break another one, add it like this. We're gonna add it like so. Just like this, a bit of texture has been created over this side. And what more we can do is we're just gonna come to the back side over here, and starting from on the bottom left, we're just gonna give 1 block space and keep on, after 2 blocks breaking it, just like this. And we're just gonna add sea lanterns in it. Okay, here I have just done it wrong. I'm just gonna patch that up later. Just like this. We're gonna cover it up with iron trapdoors. Just like this, and to patch it up, I'm just gonna add it just like this. So basically our house is complete at this time, and these are the final looks of our house.